In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an app to Shopify, guiding you through each step of the process so you can enhance your store with the tools you need. Adding apps to Shopify is a great way to extend the functionality of your online store. Whether you're looking to optimize your marketing, manage your inventory, or improve customer experience, the Shopify App Store has a diverse range of applications to choose from. First, ensure you are logged into your Shopify account. Once you're on the main dashboard, locate the My Store section, where you will find various options to manage and grow your shop. On the home page of your store's admin, you'll notice the option to Add. This is your gateway to enhancing your store's capabilities with apps. Click on this button and you'll be directed to the next step in accessing the Shopify App Store. Now that you're on the right path, the next action is straightforward. Click on Shopify App Store. This link is your entry point to explore the vast library of applications available. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for browsing and selecting the app that best suits your needs. Once you click, you'll be taken to the Shopify App Store in a new tab or window. When you arrive in the Shopify App Store, you'll find yourself in a hub of resources designed to fortify your storefront. Now it's time to use the search function to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for. You can find the search bar at the top of the page. Clicking on it allows you to enter relevant keywords tailored to what you're seeking, such as email marketing or SEO tools. After entering your search query, it's a good idea to review the available apps. You can assess them based on ratings, reviews, and the specific features they offer, ensuring that you choose an app that aligns with your store's objectives. If you're not sure about which app to pick, you can browse through various categories to get inspiration. Once you've identified an app that seems ideal for your store, you'll be prompted to add it. Follow the instructions specified by Shopify to install and integrate the app into your store's framework. This process usually involves granting permission for the app to access certain store functions. Don't be alarmed. This is standard procedure to ensure the app works correctly within your store environment. By following these steps, you've added a new app to your Shopify store. Remember, apps can significantly expand your store's capabilities, helping you manage operations more efficiently and enhancing customer satisfaction. Keep exploring the App Store as your business evolves because there's always something new to discover that can streamline processes or drive growth. Thanks for joining today's session, and I hope this guide was helpful. Happy selling!